Morning, everyone. It is Friday morning. We are up in the lanes for Q3. This morning they moved the run order around. We thought we were running at 2, and they called us at 10:30 and said you have 1 hour. So we got into a rush and got everything up here. We're gonna run very similar to the tune we ran last night when the tree had an issue. Hopefully, it's a little bit hot right now, but hopefully it'll stick. We made a couple of small changes to get it down through there. So I'm just fingers crossed everything goes right here. So you guys, stay tuned, and hopefully this pass goes really well.
That's going to bring us to Greg Schmidt from Brainerd, Minnesota, the 2010 Camaro. Hemi blow-through power here in the right lane, looking to go 3 seconds with the blow-through carburetor. He's ready to make a pass because he's going to go over and check out the Girl Scout display in front of the concession stand on the tower side. We got a 108 to the 60 popping and banging, 4067. Yes,
So, I waited a little bit. We got a bunch of work done today. We had that pass you guys saw, went 4.06, 187, new personal best. Had a couple of really decent splits in there. If you don't know what the split is, watch yesterday's video. We explained that. But we found a bunch into that data now that we have the time slip, because that pass was pretty much the same. We put just a little bit, we moved some stuff around, but the same boost and everything as the pass where we didn't get a time slip. So now I got some more changes that we've made in there. A lot of it is early in the run to help get momentum, and then we put more boost to it, more dome pressure, those correlate, than I've ever put before. So we did have a question. I'll answer it real quick. Somebody said, what's the difference between boost pressure and dome pressure? Well, your wastegate, which is what bleeds off exhaust to spin your turbo, there's going to be CO2 that we put on top of that to hold it shut. All right, now that's going to be your dome pressure on the wastegates. You put more on there to hold it shut as the back pressure comes up. So if you're commanding a lot of boost, that back pressure is going to go up, and that back pressure is between the turbo and the heads. Okay. As we keep stacking pressure on top of that gate and the back pressure comes up, then we're going to see boost increase as well. Eventually you're going to get to a point where you put 10 pounds of CO2 on the gates, and it may only gain 1 or 2 psi. It means you're past its efficiency and it's not happy anymore. So for those of you that have been curious about that, there you go. But we're going to get ready. They're going to call Radio versus the World up here in just a second. I'm trying to block this light right here, and hopefully this is it, man. This is going to be our last round of qualifying. They canceled tomorrow's. I think we're going to go early eliminations, so hopefully we can get this out of the way. I'm very excited, and this thing right here, she's ready to rock.
Whoa, big wheel stand slams it down hard. He's pulling over. Parachute comes out.
Okay, so as you saw, heard, everything, we kind of wheelied. Oops. When you know it's your last round of qualifying and The track is on kill. It's got good air, everything there. You swing for it, and we kind of knew that that tune right there was it was a spicy tune. That was we put all the spice in it. So at Wheelied, we have a diesel truck tomorrow morning in round 1. So we're going to go ahead and get ready for that. He went a 402 to qualify in. We have a 406 that you guys saw that is our personal best, but it had oil pressure dips in there, which made it cut, and then I also pedaled it once. So kind of want to run that tune and maybe put a little bit more spice on it in other places, and see if we can't maybe go like a 4.0. And that puts in second round, and we'll swing for that 3 there from that 4.0. So we'll take a look and see what we can figure out. But thank you guys for watching and subscribing. Make sure you hit the subscribe button below. We've been selling shirts here, so if you want to get a shirt or anything, check out the website above, badinfluencegarage.com. Some of the stuff is available there, and the new shirts will be available soon. Thank you. Good night. Until next time, be safe.